So this is after the thunderstorm, yesterday's thunderstorm. There was a huge thunderstorm, power outage, trees falling down. Yesterday was really huge thunderstorm here in Phoenix. Today I'm reporting live from Yasash TV, showing you aftermath of thunderstorm. Damn, this one is so high. Trust me, this is a lot of water. A lot of water. Let's go close to it because this tunnel is so deep and it's all filled. Like, damn, this tunnel is deep. It's all full of water. Look, the thing is, I don't trust Commander Pro that much on the aspect of water resistance. We're continuing with our evening adventures on our electric unicycle. So let's play this game. So we are not allowed to touch our tire to these markings on the path. It's a good practice for carving. Hello and welcome to Yasash TV. Just double checking if the sound, yes, sound has been recorded. So now we have started a new adventure, new ride. Today I started a little bit early. It's about 8 p.m. So it's a night adventures, not late night adventures. We out. So we are at the most famous horse statue place. What I want to do is, since this is still a new wheel, I never tested this wheel on curbs and ramps. Like that's one thing you should do with the new wheel, to check that if wheel can handle intense power, turbulence and consumption, the wires and soldering of wires and capacitors in the motherboard can handle high current flow, high current draw. So what I'm doing is, this is a horse statue place, and if you guys following my video, you know that this horse statue place has a lot of these a long climbing, like a ramp kind of thing here. And so what I'm testing first now is small amount of regen by dropping from this ramp, a smaller portion of the ramp. So let's measure the angle. What is the angle of this particular ramp? So this one is, let's see, this one is 17.6 degree angle, 17.6. Not the longer portion, because as further you go down this way, this gets longer and longer. So I want to try it out on the small section first. I'm not doing climbing, I'm just doing droppings to see if it can handle first, because the new wheel, you should not do long ramps on a new wheel. So now I'm doing longer and longer. Each time I'm going up, I'm doing longer and longer drops to see if the motherboard can handle it. And this is how you build confidence on your new wheel. So now we're doing even longer drop. Not a problem, easy. Okay, let's do a small climbing test as well. Ooh, not a problem. Like, wheel didn't even notice that I did something. Ooh, yeah. So while I'm doing this, because this is a new wheel, I've never done ramps on this wheel before. When I'm going up and down, I'm ready for impact, ready for wheel to malfunction, because a new wheel, until it fully passes the test. So let's do a little bit longer incline. Oh yeah, nice. Not a single, like, small tiniest bit of sensation of magnet grinding, not a tiny, so easily. So now I'm doing a little bit longer. Now we're gonna go to the longest part. Maybe not now. Medium. Ooh, that was shaky because of rider being new on the wheel. I didn't bend my knee properly. Let's climb this. Ooh, that was shaky. So now we have more trust on this wheel than before, because we're climbing and dropping on these curves, the big ramps, so we know that wheel can handle it. So there's not a small like wire joint, human mistake that can be on the board, or loose wire, or lose a screw in the motherboard for some chip, because when high current flows from motherboard, that can come out. Okay, that's nice. We have more confidence on this wheel now. This is what I wanted to do with my new wheels. Like, this is what I do with my new wheels. Like, I test them on the ramps. So you do free spin test, and you do like ramp climbing and ramp and drop tests to test your motherboard and capacitors and all those things. Okay, now where do we go? Again, we're gonna adopt that policy. Wherever winds takes us, no destination. So we're gonna go towards Tempe Town Lake. Even if we don't go all the way to Tempe Town Lake, we will go towards that. And yeah, so yesterday we had a severe thunderstorm, and that thunderstorm brought down so many trees and flooded a lot of bike paths in Phoenix. That's why you can see a lot of tree fallings, leaves, branches, and everything on this path, and a lot of flood warnings coming up on this ride. It has been like hell in Phoenix. Like this last month, temperatures were like 110 plus in a row for 20 days, and it's caused a lot of heat. And then thunderstorms are attracted. They are coming. See, another warning coming, like do not enter, flood. So we need to go to the other side. Damn. These exhausts, car exhausts. In Arizona, it's illegal to have car exhaust. So in California, I believe it's not. So here everybody fulfills their fantasies. Arizona is a lot free, like freedom, a lot of freedom in Arizona. You can carry gun, you can have exhaust. Damn, see, paths are all closed and boarded down. Oh man, our adventure so far is not been so fun because it's really hard, and I'm not able to ride fast. And also when I'm stopping, whenever I stop, I sweat like a pig. And so yeah, now I can get some wind and air and ice. When you're riding, it's awesome, but when you slow down or stop, then it's hell. Human nature, we're never happy. In London, I was complaining about cold and rain, And in Arizona, I'm complaining about heat. Like, we are never happy. But like my wife says, Yasmin says, like, there has to be a middle ground, and that is Miami. She just want to drag me to Miami because she's from there. She says Miami is in the middle. Like, temps are hot, but between 80 and 90. The hottest it gets there is 90, or maybe rarely someday 100, but not like 115, 119. Here we get 119 in the summer. I'm talking about Fahrenheit. Yeah. Never happy, ungrateful. Me, I, and myself. Okay, so this part, damn, it's closed. Even this is closed. Damn, this one is filled like a swimming pool. This one is filled like a swimming pool. So we have to cross these roads because the paths down, cycle paths are closed. What to do? What to do? Go, cars, go. Even though you guys are sitting air conditioned inside the car, you have first right to go. That's us. Let's go. Fucked it up. Fucked it up. Fucked up my balance. Okay. There's a weird lady in the middle. Ooh. Okay. I'm just grateful, like, that Arizona is awesome. I don't want to be ungrateful. Another flood. Tunnel closed. This one is fucked up. Damn, this one is so high. Trust me, this is a lot of water. A lot of water. Let's go close to it because this tunnel is so deep and it's all filled. Like, damn. This tunnel is deep. It's all full of water. Look. Damn, it's like a pool. Swimming pool. Wow. Yeah, so this little thunderstorm that came yesterday have messed up a lot of infrastructure in city of Phoenix and Scottsdale. I was just talking to these people waiting for a bus at the bus stop. Damn, people are affected. Like, there's no good infrastructure. Bus is not coming since last 1 hour. They've been waiting. And yeah, the other side looks a little bit cleaner. So maybe we can ride on the other side. Let's cross this road. Because this side, like every next intersection, the bike path is another exhaust. Looks like Lamborghini or Ferrari or I don't know. There you go, farting car. Okay, so many intersections. In this video, we're crossing so many intersections because of a flood on the bike path. Damn, Daniel. This is still 41 centigrade. 41 Celsius, and I think it's over 100 Fahrenheit still. Like, you can imagine, like in London I used to get sweaty and feel bad at 20 Celsius, 25 Celsius, 30 we used to die of thirst, and right now it's 41 at night time at 9 p.m. In the daytime it can go up to 49 Celsius. Okay, Looks like it's about to open, so we get ready and prepare for launch. Nice. We crossed. Yeah, this path so far looking better than the other side. So let's see, let's not judge before trying it fully. Looks nice. No water, no flood, no leaves so far. Okay, let's play this game. So we are not allowed to touch our tire to these markings on the path. It's a good practice for carving. Especially I'm wearing these badass boots. Getting used to them. That's why I'm keep wearing them. Because Marty's accident scared the shit out of already scared ass. I was already scared of crashes, and Marty's accident even scared me further. Okay, I want to pick up some speed, but then there's dirt and mud leftovers, like half dried mud. Okay. Yeah, this path is a lot better than the other side. This path is a lot better. Okay, let's go to the loop on the other side. Let's see where this one takes us to. There's a nice little bridge. Like it. I like it. I like it. Damn, Daniel. Guess what? Another flood warning. But we can go like from the side because it's drying up. Shall we do that? Or shall we go back? Let's go back the way we came. Damn! So these boots, still getting used to them, and still mounting and dismounting is still a little bit dodgy, like a newbie. Okay. So our original plan was to go to Tempe Town Lake, and now it's not looking possible because almost entire green path is flooded, and so I cannot actually, if I really want it I can go, but like this little patch of water. The thing is, I don't trust Commander Pro that much on the aspect of water resistance. That's why I don't want to take a risk and ride this in the rain. So yesterday I went for let me tell you an awesome story. Yesterday I went offline on my ride, didn't take my camera, and thunderstorm started. Suddenly, like out of nowhere, very little warning and stuff. So I hid myself in the supermarket until rain stopped, because I don't really trust, like I said, my waterproof capabilities of this Commander Pro. Water resistance, like water aspect of this wheel, no trust at all. Zero. Okay, I've never been into this side, like deep in this park. I always see it from the other side. There are a lot of paths here, and definitely less flooded than the other side. And speaking of devil, and devil is here, another board for flood, but I don't see any water. So there are some patches like that where there's no water, but still some warning signs. Damn, Daniel. This is nice. Like, I've never been onto this side. It's really dark, so my footage will be like poop. But nice. I want to go see that park and that football field. Yeah, there's a path going down there. Let's go check that football field out. We're continuing with our evening adventures on our electric unicycle. Nice. How can some people like play football in this intense heat? Actually, they're playing baseball. That's not football, baseball. Ooh, nice shot. There's a mixed audience, like there's some ladies, male, female, both involved. Okay, so we are here plant care. It's called plant care. In this heat, they can play this, like I really admire them. Like, awesome. A little circle. Little circle. Little. Okay, now where do we go? So let's see battery. What battery status we have and how many miles we done. I'm sure it's not a lot because we could not go to Tempe. So we done 9.79 miles, and battery sitting at 39%, 116 volts exactly. We started at 43% battery, and we started at 117 volts. So we only used 1 or 2 volts for 10 miles. I'm not really impressed with my riding today because I want to bring this battery down to 0 or 5%. I want to bring this battery down to 0 or 5%, so I can then charge it from there, because Alien Rides suggested that I should do that, drain battery fully and then charge it with a slow charger or stock charger, and this might fixes the battery balancing issue. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, Let's stop for a second and drink our water a little bit. Let's park our shit. Okay. I want to take off this helmet for a minute because if I don't die of a crash, I'll die of this heat stroke.